Welcome back to our EatSleepYangon channel. Today I'm your host, I'm Green. Now I arrived at the 56th Street. It's located at Nata Road and Personal Township. So let me see some street food. It's just like a night market. So let's check it out. Now here we have the hot dog. Is very looking good, right? Topping with their mayonnaise and tomato cheese, and then it's slash tomato cucumber, and it's a hot chicken sausage. Yeah, it's so delicious. I think so. Now I will try it. The bread is very delicious. Yeah. This hot dog is so crunchy. I think so. Because chicken sausage is very soft and so tasty. Yeah. I think it's a very big, it's a suitable price. So the price is 1,000 matches, or it's only 60 cents. right. It's called a fried bean salad. Yeah. Now I saw this topping is there, fried prawn and onion and cabbage and it's a little chili. And then this show is you can get many different types of salad. Yeah. Now I try this thing. Wow. Now I saw there sesame too. That salad is tastes very great. I feel a little sour because she made with the lemon. Yeah. And then this fried bean cheese is so crunchy and yeah, I like it. Yeah, this is very great. The price is only 900 Myanmar kyat, so which is 50 cents. It's so stupid. This shop sells chapati. You can get three types of filling. This taste is potato and bean and sweet one. Now my order is potato curry. So I think it's a popular one because there's many customers in there. Yeah. And then there is three pieces of chapati. The price is 1,000 Myanmar kyat, so which is 60 cents only. Yeah. Now 7 p.m. So I need to go back my home very quick. Let me start my video here. I hope you like my video. If you also like this video and this video, see you next time. Bye bye.